A very good morning, all of you. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make listening skills effective. Before that, I just want to introduce myself. I am Dr. Sarika Makul, Associate Professor in SAGE Group of Institutions. Today, we talk about that what role does listening skills play in making your communication effective. So before that, first of all, we'll understand the meaning of listening skills. According to M.V. Rodrigues, listening is a process of receiving, interpreting, and reacting to the messages received from the communication sender. Listening is the accurate perception of what is being communicated. It is the art of separating facts from statement and accusation. Let me explain you with the help of the difference between listening and hearing. Hearing is a process which can be done through our ears because ear is to hear, which is given by nature or God to us. This is the part of our body which plays the role of hearing. But when we just try to understand and apply our mind to understand the message, interpret it, and then reacting to the messages, that forms the part of listening. So listening makes effective only when we'll try to understand the facts and figures from the statements being spoken by the speaker. Now, why do we speak? We speak to inform, to entertain, to persuade others, but we listen to gather information and to acquire knowledge. So basically, we listen to just so that we can have a lot of information about the topic and our knowledge can be improved. On what topic the listening will be dependent upon. So basically, effective listening depends on these five criteria. First of all, the understanding of the speaker, how much the speaker having the knowledge of the topic, because until and unless speaker is well knowledgeable person, he cannot convey the messages or proper messages to the receivers. Another is his attitude. The speaker should always have a positive attitude while speaking to the audience, and he should know the purpose of his speaking. He should be clear about that what he has to spoke about. Then again, it depends upon his personality also, whether he's having a positive personality or whether he's having an impactful personality, which creates an impact on the audience. Then the degree of his credibility. The listening skills also depends on the degree of the credibility of the speaker, how much you can rely upon the speaker. Then another thing which is that what are the essentials to make your listening effective. So these are the various essentials or the spatial skills which you can with the help of which you can make your listening skills effective. You should stop talking while the speaker is speaking. You should put the speaker at ease. He should make the environment comfortable so that the speaker who is speaking to you feels comfortable while speaking to the audience. Show the speaker that you want to listen. You should always show the interest in listening to the speaker. Only then he will be motivated to speak in a very understanding manner with you. Remove all the distractions. Distractions here means your emotional distractions as well as the physical distractions. Empathize with the talker. You have to just put yourself into the shoes of that very particular speaker and try to listen him properly. Be patient while he is speaking and always hold your temper. You should not lose your temper on the speaker because that shows your efficiency of listening. Go easy on the arguments as well as criticism because everybody is having a different point of view. So there is no harm in asking the questions, but try to understand or try your level best. Do not convert that conversation into the arguments. Ask as many questions as you like because that helps you to remove your distractions or that helps you to get distracted from that very particular speaker. So these are the various essentials with the help of which you can make your communication or which you effective or listings effective. So these are the overall parameters or the role of listening in making your communication effective. It helps in proper communication. Obviously, if you listen carefully, you will react carefully, you will give the feedback properly, and you will do the work or achieve your goals in a very efficient manner. It obviously develops your personality because it shows your patience, it shows the respect towards the speaker. It builds better relationship with the people with whom you are interacting. It increases the accuracy because if you listen carefully, there are less chances of making mistakes in your work. It helps to ease others also, because if you are getting the view, or you can be able to explain others also, it forms a bond of respect between you as well as the speaker. It obviously increases your confidence, because if you know everything, if there is a transparency that you got every kind of information clear and properly, so you are a bit confident while doing your work or while achieving your goals in the organization. I hope you would be able to understand what I'm going to teach you here, that effective listening is very, very important in your day to day life, because it makes you an effective communicator, which is the need of an hour nowadays. Thank you so much. Thank you all.